headed back to Jackson, Mississippi, where I used to live, to pick up my wedding dress. So this whole wedding situation has been a huge drama, and maybe I'll sit down and give y'all a little chit chat, get ready with me or something, to talk to y'all about everything that's been happening with the wedding. But as of right now, the wedding is happening, so I'm going to pick up my dress. Baby boy is in the back. Hey, baby boy. Eric. Hey.
Hi.
Baby boy's in the back, and Keith is driving, so even though it's a 3-hour drive, we'll probably be there in an hour and a half. Y'all pray for me. Huh? Oh, he was trying to show y'all Marshall. What is sun? Anyway, so yeah, that's what we're doing. We're headed to get the wedding dresses. Our first time out of the house, really, outside of me going to work and Keith going to work since the quarantine happened. So we're just being really safe and just going to basically pick up the dress and come home. Maybe grab something to eat to go, obviously, most likely. So yeah, we'll just take y'all along and show y'all what's going on. Not show y'all the dress because that's not happening. And Keith won't see the dress either. He's just my chauffeur. We were up really late putting in flooring, so we're probably a little delirious right now. Probably like 1 o'clock in the morning before we actually got in bed. So yeah.
If not later.
So yeah. Anyway, just want to let y'all know what's going on. So see y'all then.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Yeah, I'm all done.
Hi guys, so we are at a restaurant called Richoux in Jackson, Mississippi. We have to get something to eat. They're operating at 50% occupancy because I think that's the rule here in Mississippi because they have such little cases compared to other states. We're being really safe, and they have social distancing in place. They have black tablecloths on the tables that they can't use, so we're pretty spaced out around the restaurant. So yeah, we're getting something to eat, and then I don't know what we're doing after that. Maybe I'll take Keith and show him my school and things like that, and then we'll be headed back to Louisiana. I got my handsome boys over there.
Hi.
Look at them. Hubba hubba. Mwah. This is butternut squash ravioli with chicken, and then these are bacon wrapped dates that we have picked over and eaten. Keith is having baked ziti al forno, and Eric is having pepperoni pizza. Yummy. It is about 1:20 in the afternoon.
Hi guys.
And we just finished eating lunch, and we were gonna stick around Jackson and show Keith a couple things, but it's starting to rain here, so we kind of want to get home before the rain reaches home. Just in case it's headed that way. So we're actually gonna get on the road and head home, so we should be home about 4-ish. And Keith talking about doing some more work. I'm talking about taking a nap. So we're gonna see who wins. Look at goofball back there.
Hey, if the goofball let us take a nap, we might do that.
I mean, I don't really mean take a nap, but I mean like.
I mean take a nap. I don't joke about nap.
In other news, we ordered our sink, and it should be here next Friday. I was hoping it would be here like by Wednesday, but be here by Friday, which means we can't get our countertops installed until it gets here.
Mom, I can't see myself.
Sad face. He want to talk to y'all. Hold on.
Hi guys. I was eating, but now I'm heading home. So I'm in the car and heading back home. Bye.
Anyway, total YouTube kid.
Well,
I'm not really talking
Oh, the
to you.
sun is like washing me all the way out. Anyway, since the sun is so
I'm not
harsh.
really talking to them.
Okay, hold on.
I'm heading really quickly, but I really don't want it to get. I really don't want to write really long. So I decided to play a game with I Spy. Bye, guys.
We're getting real washed out by the sun because it's like right in our faces. But we just wanted to come give y'all a heads up and let y'all know what's been going on. And check in with y'all when we get home.
Yep. Bye, guys.
Morning. How are y'all doing? We're good. We are, as usual, headed to Sam's. Cause I'm getting an Instant Pot. My lovely husband-to-be is going to fix everything over there so I can at least use the stove, because I'm telling you right now, I'm so getting tired of cooking in the back. I don't know what to do. So we're gonna get the stove operable, and I don't know, I guess like use some plywood or something as a makeshift countertop, because our countertops won't be able to be installed until our sink gets here, and our sink won't get here till Friday, which means our countertops won't be installed until Saturday at the earliest. So why do we do this? Anyway, when I get home, of course, it's wash day, so we're gonna tackle this. And yeah, by now you will have seen, hold on honey, you have seen the welcome to my journey video that I uploaded last night. And so yeah, that's what's going on at the Richoux camp. And yeah, we're just getting ready to go. There's little one and honey on his computer, and baby boy. So yeah, happy Sunday. Okay guys, so I'm about to make a Farro Casserole. I am meal prepping for my first week doing the starch solution. So these are all the ingredients for the casserole, minus a couple fresh herbs and stuff, because the recipe calls for fresh basil, bay leaf, and oregano. But I grabbed these. Excuse me. I grabbed these with basil, garlic, and oregano in them because I don't have any fresh herbs. So the recipe calls for you to use olive oil, and I know Dr. John McDougall's book says not to use any oil. I don't know if this is outside the plan or not, but I did grab this cooking spray. It's only just to grease the pan to make, since I'm baking in a baking dish, not a non-stick pan, I'm going to use just a tiny spray of this. It says to grease it with olive oil, but I'm not doing that. It also says saute this stuff in olive oil, but I'm not doing that either. I'm water sauteing. I'm going to have some garlic salt to season, because that's my seasoning of choice. If I'm going to use salt, I'll use garlic salt because I like the way it tastes. The recipe calls for some nutritional yeast. I got this from Whole Foods. This is the farro. It calls for 2 cups of uncooked farro. That's more than 2 cups, or right at 2 cups. Minced garlic, because I'm too lazy to mince it myself. It calls for chopped shallots, but what I did was I took onion and blended it up with a couple of mushrooms, and then I left some chunks of mushrooms so I can have a little bit more of a bite. So, and then I have, it calls for 2 cans of diced tomatoes, but I have 1 Italian style and 1 normal. And then I have water to saute in. And it calls for 2 cups of vegetable broth. What I'm going to use is a bottle of water and this organic Better Than Bouillon. And I looked at the ingredients and I didn't see any oils. So it says certified vegan. So if somebody knows something better, then let me know. But I'm going to use like a tablespoon of that with some water. And so let's get cooking. Ignore my makeshift countertop here. Our countertops are being installed soon, which is why our outlets are still open, because we still have to put backsplash in. Also, I got an Instant Pot today. So excited. Anyway, let's get cooking. morning, guys. It is Memorial Day, and I think we're gonna end the vlog here because I am currently filming for my Dr. John McDougall Starch Solution challenge. So I want to go ahead and end the vlog so I can go ahead and edit it and get it scheduled to be uploaded for you guys. So we're gonna leave y'all, and definitely check me out over there. There's Honey. We won't be working on the house today. Y'all are getting a little sneak peek because I said I wasn't gonna show y'all the room, but yeah, so we're not working on the house today, I don't think. And yeah, we're just gonna relax and enjoy today because work is tomorrow. I don't know why it's zooming in on everything but me, but yeah, okay, bye.